I'm proud of you for your sensitivity and vulnerability. I see you doing your best with integrity and honesty, being respectful and helpful, navigating these borderless boundaries as best as you can consciously be, while trusting in the innate you, her impulses and tender relating, feeling, sensing, knowing, not overthinking or overanalyzing, but being present with the ripples that flow. I love your gifts, how you feel the aliveness of life, being brave and sharing, how you tap into this endless sea of diversity, admitting when you've crossed a line, hearing where you've strayed from this invisible divide, ashamed for not asking permission before sharing or speaking for someone else instead of for or from yourself. It's hard. An emotional roller coaster ride to feel so much and stay governed from the force within, not assuming or judging these navigations as right or wrong. I love how you trust yourself. Patience doesn't require giving that up. Pausing allows for more depth of feeling and connection. No message to convey, just a shared union of time and space. You've learned the first 20 years that your sensitivity was a weakness, a disability. You've learned the next 20 years that it was actually your unique gift, your birthright. It made you rare or special. You are now learning that it's neither. As you reject, then accept, you eventually integrate. Sensitivity imbues aliveness. It belongs to no one, but is here for everyone. It's no more special than oxygen or gravity. Sensitivity simply is a force of life that calls us to surrender and pay attention with an acute awareness. Feel, don't assume. Tap in and allow. This sensitivity gives quality to the moment. A true, rich, shared experience, borderless, while not crossing into each other's personal space. It's respectful of the unspoken language. It is cautious and attentive, bringing comfort and peace to everyone and everything just because we are there together in this rare moment of shared space and consciousness. Your sensitivity is how you tap into this connective substrate of telepathic oneness. Full circle. We are one, while no one says a word.